Welcome back everyone. Today we will see a stack data structure using list in Python. Let's create the size of the stack. Input size of the stack. This will ask the user to create the size of the stack. Now we will create a empty list in which we append the elements of the stack. Okay, we know in a stack data structure we do operations in LIFO manner, last in first out manner. Means we take out the element and add the element in the same side in a stack. Let's create a stack and enter an element into the stack for I in range n plus 1. Here I entered plus 1 so that if nth element is reached, after that it will show overflow condition. Okay, if I less than n. Now for we will ask the input from the user to int input enter elements of stack. Okay, now this element will be appended into the list a dot append x. Done. Now we will traverse along the list A but in reverse order. For j in A in reverse order -1 till the starting point. Okay, what will be the steps? It will be -1. Done. Now print j. These are the element of the stack. For look like as a stack, we provide space from left hand side. Okay, here into 10. Now let's see what we have. The output window. Okay, size of the stack 4, enter first element. 6, enter second element. 8. Okay, here we add the element at the top of the last element. Okay, third element 9. Okay, fourth element is 5. Here we have created our stack. This is our stack. Okay, let's put this into a function called create stack. Def create stack. Here we have created a stack. Here we entered print stack word, so it will be the better in the output. Now we will see a deletion operation in a stack. Okay, let's create a delete function. Delete, and we give the argument a list A. Okay, now for we will traverse along a list A for I in range, for I in A. Okay, first we ask the user for the element which user want to delete. Okay, x int input element to be deleted. Okay, now traverse along the list. See, if I equals to the deleted element x, then we slice the our list A. Okay, here let's first take the position of the element in which we have to delete. Okay, position A dot index x. Now slice the A list equals to A till the position. I have entered 0th to the end element because it is a list, not a stack. So deletion operation performed will from the last of the list. Okay, but in the list it will be the 0th to the position of the element. Okay, now we print the stack here. For that we need to create another function which will be the stack. And argument is list A for I in A traverse from the last of the list A -1. Done. Okay, print I into 10 times comma and I. Okay, here we're done with the stack. Now if we will give another condition if our list is empty. Okay, equals to empty, we will print underflow condition. Done here. Now we call this function here stack A. Now we create a list. For that we call a function create stack. Okay, and what will be our stack 1. We store the value in stack 1. For that create stack must return a stack variable, stack list, which is the list. Okay, that is A. Done here. Now we call the delete stack function, delete, and pass the argument in delete function as stack 1. Okay, now what will be the output? Let's see. 4 element here. First element 3, second 2, once again 3 element, first element 5th, second element 4, third element 8. Now we have to give the input the element to be deleted. We want to delete 4th element, so 4. Okay, we have deleted the element 4, so 8 will also be deleted, hence left element is 5. We have 5 here. Now to check the underflow condition, let's see. We have 3 element in a stack. First element 90, second element 10, and third element 80. Okay, we want to delete a last element from a stack. So after deleting a last element, stack will be underflowed. Okay, let's delete a last element 90. Here stack is underflowed. So we have successfully created a stack data structure using Python. That's all. Thank you.